Why do you think 90% of traders fail?
Basically, in trading, you just need to get to know yourself. And then keep in mind that trading is a marathon, is not a sprint. So many things that we see in social media is giving us the impression that trading is the fast money, but it's not. It's basically a lot of years of doing trading, losing, depositing again, losing again, learning from your losses. If you enjoy the process, you're gonna go so well, but people doesn't really want to enjoy the process. They just want to make money very fast, and they just don't know the psychological part of trading.
You want to become the best loser. What does that mean in more in-depth terms?
It's just that cuts your losses short. For me, I would say lose in a smart way. If your loss will actually get you uncomfortable, angry, then you don't know how to lose. But if your loss is just part of your journey, it's just part of your day. So you have to train yourself to become a good loser in order for you to win.
How long did it take you to become profitable or become a funded trader?
It took me around 3 months and I've reached almost like 15 or 20 accounts. So my first payout was of like $353 only, but it gave me the belief that making money through Profirm is possible and changing your life through Profirm is possible. As of now, like my biggest payout is $53,000. You don't have to aim for like 100%, 200% return. You aim for like 1%, 2%, 3% payout, and you kept on withdrawing it, keep on compounding it, and then everything changes from there.
What is the best advice you have to new Profirm traders that want to get their first funded account?
Whether you want to focus on funded accounts, whether you focus on a personal account, risk management is the most important things. Then comes your psychology, emotion control, and all these things. If you have planned something that you're gonna risk like $1,000 per trade, and you stick to that particular thing, you're not changing your plan on day-to-day basis or day-to-day basis, things gonna change. You need to obviously focus on the technicals as well. Technical doesn't mean that you have to learn all those complex things like ICT, SNC, and all these things. I still trade basic, simple support, resistance, and market structure, and I'm still profitable with that simple basic things.
The most amount of money you made on a single trade?
It was about $400,000. Hopefully this week I break my record. I'm in a trade right now that will potentially break that record, maybe like $600,000-$700,000.
Do you prefer FX over indices and commodities?
I've traded a little bit of everything. I personally think that anything that has clean market structure and you're following the trend and you're selling or buying at a strong area of interest, the trade makes sense.
What is the delusion of traders on social media versus the actual reality of trading?
You know, you look at an Instagram story, it lasts 5 seconds, right? You look at a reel, probably lasts a minute. Consumers of social media of traders, they just look at very small portion of these traders' lifestyle, and it's not always like that. The majority of my day, I am not trading. I'm not in front of my computer.
So to the people watching, what is the best trading advice that you can give to them?
Quality over quantity. You don't want to take every single trade, you want to take the right trade.
Which trading pair is the best? BTC USD, ETH USD.
BTC USD.
Euro USD, Gold USD.
Of course, Euro USD. I hate gold.
NAS 100, US 30.
NAS 100 is my favorite.
GBP USD, AUD USD.
AUD USD, it's free money.
BTC USD, Euro USD.
Euro USD.
NAS 100 or AUD USD.
NAS 100.
BTC USD or NAS 100.
NAS 100, always.